Hey YouTube, Yak Guy here. We are out on the lake. It is May, beautiful day. We are back with the Field and Stream charge kayaks, and we've had these a year now. They retail about $350 at Field and Stream. And once again, we're out at our favorite lake, Alum Creek Lake, Columbus, Ohio. And we got a pretty nice setup here. If you purchase a Field and Stream fishing kayak about this size, you're probably going to spend an upwards of $500 for pretty much the same thing. So we got them on sale for $250. Excellent kayaks, very strong. We added an anchor trolley. As you can see, we got pad eyes everywhere. Adjustable rod holder. He has a flush mount rod holder also. He puts the net in there. And we probably have $300 if that. And you can't go wrong. They're perfect for fishing. Beautiful day out today. And was hoping to get a fish on here, but looks like we're not gonna have that, so. Anyway, just checking in. Hope you have a good day and happy kayak.